Africa is very rich because of the minerals and the weather than in Europe. That's why you saw white people, they want to have businesses in Africa than in Europe. In Europe, they have got winter time about 8 months, and in winter time, they have got snow every time. They can't work because of the ices. But in Africa, even in winter time, we don't have snow, and winter is very short than summertime. So that's why you saw those people, they want to come to run those businesses here. Guys, we have to help each other. We are human beings. We say we don't white people here in Africa, but those people are the reason why other countries are very rich. Guys, white people, they don't enjoy to run business in their countries because of the weather. But when we allow them to come here to help us, we have to help each other. We help them with our country to develop our country, and they help us to develop gold. Guys, money, real money, guys, is very important. Understand? So we can't say that we don't want them. We can do it for ourselves, but we can't produce even cell phones, those phones. You understand? We can prefer Chinese to come to run businesses in Africa. Guys, Chinese, there is nothing you say you can bring Chinese, they can develop the country. Chinese are not the kind of people who can develop the countries. But white people, they can develop the country. They have got a heart of develop things, to create original things. You understand? To manufacture original phones, original furnitures. But Chinese, they've got fake. So sometimes don't say I want Chinese, I don't white those people. Guys, the white people are very important, guys, in our look at those countries who have got white people. Look at South Africa. South Africa is very rich, guys. Other countries, even airtime, you want to buy airtime, you call someone. In South Africa, you can call someone even 1 hour and with a cheap airtime. Look at those countries who have got poor economy. Their data is very expensive. Those airtimes is very expensive. But in South Africa, Wi-Fi is not expensive. Data is not expensive. Everyone can afford to buy data because of those companies, white people who came here in South Africa. You can get a starter pack with R1 or with 0 cents. But in other countries, to buy a line, a starter pack, you want to call someone, it's very expensive.